Okay, stop her.
Whoa.
Okay, stop her.
Whoa.
Keep pulling. Now keep pulling and she'll back up.
Whoa.
Say whoa.
Whoa.
Use both hands. Now keep pulling and she'll back up. Keep going. When she backs up, let go. Okay. Okay, what? Keep doing it so she takes a step. Sit up straight. Yeah, good job.
Whoa.
Back her up a step. Okay, let go when she backs up. Pet her neck. Say,
Whoa. Whoa.
good girl. Now she might. Good.
Wait. Whoa.
She's got all her raggy fur coming off, huh?
I'm trying to get her to try. Let's go. Go.
She will. Give her some more rein and kick. Go. That's the way. Kick, kick. There you go. Okay, go the other way.
Whoa. Yeah.
Good job, Kayla.
Do you